Go.
All right, so theoretically, my patient has a restriction into right rotation because I'm on that side, and I'm going to be assessing their AA joint mobility into rotation on this side, seeing which side, if it's ipsilateral restriction versus contralateral restriction. I'm going to be checking ipsilateral restriction first. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm blocking with a grip that looks like this, C2, come down onto C2, and you want to tell your patient this is going to get pretty personal. You need to hug them. All right, so I'm going to hug you like this, and you want your thumb, this portion on the neural arch of C2, and you're going to ask the patient to rotate with you towards the right until you get to that restriction, and you're basically just stabilizing their head with your hand, and my fingers are pointing in the direction that you want to glide C2 under C1, so it's going to be in a superior direction towards the opposite eye. So you're going to see how that glides. See if you can get a little bit more. And then the second part of this test, you're going to come back to neutral. You're going to contralaterally side bend. Find C2 again, and this time you're just blocking C2 with this hand. And you're going to use your ulnar side of your pinky finger, and you're going to come up right on the occiput. You're on the neural arch transverse process of C1 with this hand. And you're going to ask them to rotate again, and you're blocking the neural arch of C2 with your thumb of your left hand. And when you find that restriction, you're going to be pushing with this aspect of this hand. You're basically pulling in that direction, hugging the neural arch of C1 and blocking C2, just like that.